Okay, we're back here. This is lesson 143, number skills. Okay, let's go to the next slide. This is going to be kind of fun. I'm going to see if you can do this. I can't hear you, but let's see if you can remember what this number is. That's one of these, but it looks like it would say EGOT. Do you remember which one looks like EGOT? We're going to clap that many times. So are you ready to clap with me? See if you remember what EGOT, the one that looks like EGOT is. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you do 8? Very good. Let's go on to the next one. And these are you look at it and you go, well, TWO. But remember how I've been telling you? It looks like TWO, but it doesn't say TWO. Do you remember what it says? It's one of these. Okay, let's clap that many times. Ready? 1, 2. So the one that looks like TWO is 2. All right. So let's look at this one. You can actually read this one. S, E, V, E, N. Okay, let's count that many times, or clap that many times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I put these up here so that if we wanted to mark them, we could. So that one goes to the 2. EGOT, the one that looks like EGOT, is 8. That's really a sight word, 8. The one that you can spell out, you can sound out if you try, is 7. 7. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. Okay, we have a small, tiny little smiley face. We got a little bit bigger, and then we have the big one. Okay, so we have the smallest up to the largest, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to do that with numbers. Okay, look at these. We have 7, 9, and 3. 7, 9, 3. Which one's the smallest, do you think? Do you think the 3 is smallest? That is, so we're going to put it down here by the little guy. Which one's smallest now? 7 or 9? 7 is. So we're going to put that one over here by the medium-sized guy, because he's bigger than the 3, and number 7 is bigger than the 3. So then that leaves this one for the biggest. So we'll put this one over here. So as we're counting, we would get to 3 first, and then we get to 7, and then we get to 9, because we're going from the smallest to largest. I'm going to put those back, see if it'll work. Hey, it did work. Okay, let's go down to the next one. We have a 6, a 4, and an 8. Which one's the smallest? Like the small smiley face. You say 4? That would be right. What's the next one? Well, let's see. Look at these two. Which one's the smallest of them now? 6 or 8? 6 would be the next one. And then 8, of course, is the bigger one, the biggest. So as we count, 4, 6, 8. Very good. Now we're going to get bigger ones. So we've got 10, 14, and 12. Which one's the smallest? Which one has the least amount? 10? You're right. So we're going to put 10 down here. Because whenever you're growing up, you're going to be 10 before you're in either one of these. So 14 or 12? Which one's smaller? So the 12 is smaller. It's bigger than the 10, but smaller than that. It's an in-between number. So the 14 would be next. So we have 10, 12, 14. Very good. Now, from smallest to largest, let's put those back where they were. And let's go down to the next one, and we have 6 plus 2. Now remember, if you have 6, and you don't have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because you know you're at 6. We have 2 here. 6, 7, 8. Because there's 2 dots there. 6, 7, 8. So this would be 8. Let's look at this one. Which one's the biggest one? 1 or 9? 9 would be. So you're adding one more. And what's the next number after 9? Did you say 10? If you did, you're right. Because one more is just the next number up. Now, let's look at these two. Is it a 4 or 2 that's bigger? It's the 4, isn't it? So we have a 4. Let's count 2 more. I'm going to put 2 dots here. We have a 4, 5, 6. Did you get that one? I'm hoping you can remember them just by looking at them. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 4. What do you think that would be? I'm going to put 4 dots down here so we can count up from there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. And this is the big number, so I'm going to put the 3 dots. I always count the points on this one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get that one? Now we know this is the small one, and that's the big one, and you know that this has the 3 dots, right? If we do the dot method, here we go. 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, that was fast. That kind of helps, and pretty soon you'll just be able to look at that and go 6, 7, 8, 9, and you can do that. Okay, let's put the 2 dots on there. Okay, are you ready? 5, 6, 7. Or if you're doing it in fast, you'd be 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm going to clear that. And let's see, do we have a paper today? No, remember we did the front of the paper yesterday, and we're going to do the back of it tomorrow. So that's all we have for our numbers lesson for today. Okay, and you can always practice writing your numbers if you want to. Okay, and I will say bye-bye.